Hi guys, welcome to another girl type fan game. Another tutorial for a girl type fan game. So from the last video we made last video we set up all the locomotion and stuff. What I forgot to say was go to grow rig and put tracking organ mode to floor. And you'll be done. Okay, so next we're going to be adding photon. So you want to go in the link in the description or just search up photon. Photon. Let me find it. Photon engine right here. I'm already signed in, but what you're going to have to do is sign in to your photon, to a photon account. Then go to dashboard. First, actually, let's not do this yet. So, on the other link in the description, you're going to be brought to the Unity assets. And what you're going to do is download the Pawn Voice 2 and Pawn 2 and Pun 2. You're going to import them. All import. Do not close this. You're going to need it, so just put it down here where you can grab it. And then you're going to click Pawn Voice 2 and import. I'm going to click all, then import. Wait for it to load. Now that it's imported, you're going to go to your browser, click new app, name it what you want. I'm going to name it TUT, game for YT, and click on real time and change it to pun. I'm going to Control C, the name, click create. Then we're going to create a new app, another app, switch the real time to voice, and put a name for it, and press create. After that, you're going to go to here and Control C on the pun, and then on the pun wizard, you're gonna paste it in. And after that, you're gonna click set up project. Then you're gonna click close. All right. After that, sorry, I was remembering something. Then you're gonna go to, let me find it. All right, so I found the website. This will be link in the description. And you're going to click this right here. And I already have it installed. For some reason, I forgot I had it installed. So after that, you can right click and import custom package. Or you can go to the File Explorer, go to your downloads, and look for it. I got mine's right here. And go through. Alright. Then you just close out your downloads folder thingy. And then you can press all, then import. Then wait for it to load. Alright. So now you're gonna go to resources, Photon VR, scripts, Dragon Photon Manager, inside the sample scene if I can. My bad, guys. I was wrong. I forgot what to do. So you're going to delete the empty that I made if you copied me. Go back to Photon VR, prefabs, and drag in all of these except for testing. Voice logger is supposed to be here. Just bring it up. Okay. So if your voice is not near the player, what you're going to do is get the Photon VR voice, and drag it on top of main camera and move it towards the player, like make it on top of the player. Make sure it's like really on top of it, set for in front of it. Alright. The rest, alright, so this is set to EU. Well, I'm in the US, so yeah. And then put your app ID, which is the pun on Photon, right here, and paste it inside of here, like this. And paste it inside of the app ID. Then you're going to go to voice, if I can see it, for the name that you made, and paste inside the voice app ID. On the head, you're going to drag in main camera. For the left hand, you're going to drag in left hand controller, and for the right hand, you're going to drag in right hand controller. This default room limit is set to 18 or 16. The max limit is 20. Otherwise, it will not work. Do not mess with this. I have no idea what this does. I think there's a tutorial for it. This is okay. And if you want to change the player, you can go ahead and do it. If you don't have TMP installed, just import it like this. And there you go. Click this to not see that much stuff. Do not mess with the player name. That'll be in the layer tutorial, or you can go to Be Awesome. I'm going to make the head a spear. Drag it right on top of it. And delete the VR head. I will not delete the hands because I don't want to delete the hands. And let's see if it works. If you don't have the VR headset, it's okay. You can build the thing onto it. See if it loads. Yep, it's here. You don't see the spear for some reason. What is there? Let me just see something real quick. Oh yeah, I forgot. So if you don't see it, the spear, drag it on top of head, and then go back and run it. And there you are. Let me go ahead and grab the left hand. Okay. As you see, it's pulling me back. If that happens, go to the left hand controller, go to layer, add layer. Left hand will be for left hand, and right hand will be for right hand. Alright, then go back to left hand, click the layer drop out, and click left hand. For the right hand, you do the same, but for the right hand. And then run it again. Let's see if it happens. Okay. Maybe we gotta... Hold up. Oh, the collider? Yeah, turn off the collider. I forgot about that. So, I think it's okay now. So now it should work because we turn off the collider. Yep, it does work. So, that's how you add photon. If you need help, DM me. Discord in description. And yeah. If you want to put this on your Oculus, you're gonna save. If you have a USB-C or something like that, I forgot what was the type called, or a link cable, you're gonna plug that inside your headset and then to your computer or PC. Then you're gonna go to File, Build Settings, click Add Open Scenes, go to Android, switch platform. I should have did this in the last video. Alright, do not worry about this, it's just a warning. Go to max tester size, and max is 22048. Wait for it to load. Alright, some reason it did not load for me, so I'm going to put it back. Apply overrides. Click apply overrides. Wait for it to load. Okay, then you're going to click, then you're going to go to run device, find your Oculus. I don't have it plugged in right now. And then you're going to press build and run. Then after it's done, it will run in your headset. And then you have your growth type fan game in. So that's all for today. See you guys next time. Bye-bye.